Yes, switch on your cameras. Yes, beta. Switch on. Switch on your cameras. Join your hands, close your eyes, sit for prayer. Everyone sit for prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. First sit for prayer. Yes, fast. Don't waste time now. Yes, join your hands. Am I audible proper?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Visible also?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, beta. Okay, now you can start your prayer. Yes, join your hands, close your eyes. And switch on your cameras. Pray to God that may God help you to understand what you are learning, what you are studying. Yes, beta. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Nobody is switching on the camera. I don't know why. Why is it necessary to say every time? Beta, you don't know? Why am I asking you to do? I am asking you to do still. Nobody is listening to me. Why is it so? From tomorrow onwards, I don't want this. Clear? If I ask you to switch on the camera, you should switch on. Means those are able. Those are able, to them I am saying. If anybody is having network issue, that is another matter. No problem. But tomorrow onwards, I will check. And I will tell to principal also that 8th students are not listening to me, not switching on the cameras if I ask. Should I say? Should I say to principal ma'am?
No, sir.
So when I ask you to do, it is compulsory, better, because the school management itself has told us to make every student switch on the camera whenever asked, so that we will come to know whether you are sitting in front of camera. Because there are students who simply log in, who just join the meeting and they leave the class. They are not in the class. Simply their name will be there. So then what is the need of us of teaching? Yes or no? So we need to know whether you are sitting in front of camera or not. So it is compulsory. When we ask, then only you have to switch on. I am not saying that the entire class you have to switch on the camera and keep. No. Because every time it's not possible. There might be network issue. But whenever I ask, do it suddenly, on the spot. Yes. Now here, whom I can see? I can see Pratik. Who is this Pratik Padalia? Is it who is this Pratik Padalia? Is it Bhumi Padalia? Hello. Beta, who is this? Pratik Padalia. Can you tell me your name, beta? What's your name? You're in my class. Are you in 8A? Who is this Pratik? Hello. But I am asking something now. It's your responsibility to reply. Yes, beta. Reply. Reply. Okay. Anyways, whoever it is, I am going to check the homework now, one by one. Monitor, be ready to write. Monitor is there. Who is the monitor? Who is the monitor? Hello? Is the monitor there? Who is the monitor of your class of this week?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nishtha. So be ready.
Yes, sir.
I am going to check the homework.
Yes, sir.
Let's start with Janvi Budasana. Janvi Budasana, show me your homework, beta. Show me your homework. Janvi Budasana, show me your homework. Switch on the camera. Switch on the camera, beta. Janvi. Yes. Janvi Budasana. Yes, beta. Janvi, are you there? Am I audible to you, or is there any problem listening? Is there any problem listening to me, or is there any network issue, anything like that? You have to reply. And there are very less number of students. Why? Call your friends, beta. Call. Just now. Call. Call your friends, everyone, those who are not joining right now. Call them. Call your friends now. Girls, monitor will call the girls. Yes, call your friends and say to join the class. And from boys, who will call? Sarfaraj.
Sir, send a message in group, no?
That is, okay, I will send, but still, whoever is possible with you, you can also call. Okay, I will send the message, no problem. Okay, wait. Yes, I asked whom to show the homework. Janvi Budasana. You can't hear. Network issue. Okay. Then next, Kavya Kasundra. Kavya Kasundra, show me. Kavya. Wait a minute, beta. Let me put a message in.
Sir, voice is not coming.
Who is this Pratik? Pratik Padalia, beta, I have not seen you. Are you new joinee? Are you new joinee? Pratik? Hello, I have never seen you in my classes. Beta, are you new joinee? Acha, when did you join, beta? When did you join? When did you take your admission? Reply, beta, reply. I am asking to you. हाँ. Yes, beta. हाँ. Say.
बोलने
Yes, yes. Say. Yes. Who is that? Say, beta. Reply. Yes, beta. Pratik, reply. हाँ. Don't worry. Say, beta. Hello. Yes, beta. Say. Pratik. I am new student. Okay, fine. So you have joined in 8A, no? Okay. Let me confirm your admission, so that from tomorrow onwards I will put the attendance. Okay, not from today, because I need to confirm, no, because I didn't have an idea that you are a new joinee. Okay, so I will confirm your attendance, your admission, then I will give your attendance. Okay, then I will take your attendance from tomorrow. Okay, beta. Okay, so now who will show me? Just you need to listen to my class. Okay, as you are new student, so you might not be knowing anything what is going on. Okay, but no problem. Anyhow, listen. Now we have already completed history chapter number 4. Not completed, but we are about to complete. It's almost the last stage of completion of the chapter. Okay, so it's better you just listen whatever is going on. Try to understand. Okay, then it will be clear. If you have any doubt, always you are ready, you are welcome to ask me, and I will help you out. Okay, but first I need to confirm your admission, then only I will give all the notes and everything. Okay. Okay, Pratik, is it clear, beta? Pratik, is it clear? Pratik Padalia. Pratik, is it clear? Beta, confirm me, okay? Say, write in the chat box. Hello? Pratik, write in the chat box. I don't have time to waste, beta. Say, reply fast. If mic not possible, then reply in the chat box. Don't waste time. Pratik. Hello, Pratik. Can you hear me? Pratik Padalia, can you hear me? Beta, reply. Yes, hello. I don't know why Pratik is not replying. Okay, anyways, right now I don't have time to waste. Later I will confirm. Okay, now I think Pratik has left. Yes, who will show me? Dhanraj. Yes, Dhanraj, come on, show me your homework fast. Don't waste my time. Every day I don't have time to waste in this homework checking. Fast, Dhanraj. Now strictly I am saying, if I will directly write the names. Now I will not ask monitor to write the names. I will directly write the name and I will give it to principal. Then don't tell me. Dhanraj, you don't have book. Then get your book fast as soon as possible. Okay, get it from Anand Stationery. I don't know why you don't have. Where were you these many days? I don't know what is the problem with you people. Whatever it is, better solve it. It's up to you. Get your book as soon as possible and complete the notes as soon as possible. Wherever you are, beta, you are in Dwarka or Jammu and Kashmir or wherever you are. The thing is that you are connecting in online, no? You are connecting in online and it is possible to get all the information from the online session. Yes or no? So if you have any trouble, you can call and ask me. No problem. I will help you. But it's your responsibility to call me. Now I don't know what you want. whether you have notes or you have textbook or not, how I come to know? So it's your job, it's your responsibility to call me and ask me, sir, I have this problem, I don't have notes, please help me out with this, so that I can easily help you. Yes or no? So get your books as soon as possible and complete it. I want your notes to be completed. MEA1, PA1, and right now we have started term 1 also, the term 1. Till term 1 history chapter number 4 your book should be complete, Dhanraj. I will give you 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time I will give. Okay, 2 weeks means today is Wednesday, the coming Wednesday, and after that Wednesday comes, no? Yes, 2 weeks time I will give you. Within 2 weeks your books should be complete up till where we reach. Clear? Everything, worksheet, activity book, notebook, everything should be complete. I will give you 2 weeks. Okay? Okay, so done. I will write your name separately and I will remind you after 2 weeks, and I will check your homework, your completion of notes. Clear? Okay, so be ready. Start completing from today. Get your notebooks, get your books from today. Okay, next, who will show me? Kavya Kasundra, I called your name, no? Kavya, show me your homework fast. Don't waste my time. Kavya Kasundra, beta, show me. Switch on the camera and show me, beta. Yes, show me your homework. Kavya Kasundra. Yes. Yes, beta, show me your homework. Kavya Kasundra. Yes. Are you there? Am I audible? Am I audible, beta? Kavya. Okay, Nishtha. Write the name. Okay, next. Lisa Gadara. Beta, Lisa, show me your homework. Show me the work. Show me your books. Yes, Lisa. Okay, Lisa, show me your books. Show me the work. Lisa Gadara. Okay, Lisa is not replying. Yes, write her name. Next. Purva Bhatia. Show me the homework. Fast. Purva Bhatia. Beta, don't take it lightly. I am giving the names to principal. I am not saying simply. Okay, you can get a call of principal at any time, or I will ask her to call you. Then don't tell me. Whatever punishment she will give you, then you have to do that. Then don't tell me. Okay, don't take it lightly. Take it seriously. Okay, I am giving the names to principal. Okay, one more time I say, don't take it lightly. I am giving the names to principal, those who are not doing the work, those who are not replying, those who are not active in the class, those who don't listen to me, okay, those who are disturbing class, all the 9 names I am getting from the monitors, those who I am appointing, and they are giving the names. I am giving the name to principal, I am sending her also through WhatsApp. Okay, then don't tell me. If you get a call from principal and if she gives you punishment, then don't tell me. You will have to do that, whatever punishment she gives. Okay, fine. So Lisa is also not showing. Purva is also not replying. Okay, so write these names of today. Write today's date and write the names. Nishtha. Next, Sarfara Jashwani. Show me your work. Sarfara Jashwani. Yes. Sarfara Jashwani, show me your work. Beta, this is not a time pass. Why we are asking you to do? Because
yes, sir. 2 minutes.
Yes, Sarfaraj, show me the work. Switch on the camera. We are doing these things for you, no, beta? Just think it in a positive way. It's not like to threaten you or to make you nervous. No. These things are not done for that. Why we are doing these kind of things, checking homework or giving names to principal, giving you punishment? Why? It's because of your betterment, no, for your improvement. That's why we are doing. So don't take it lightly, better. Okay, sincerely do all the things so that I may also be happy with your class. Yes or no? Do you want me to be happy, or you want me to be disappointed? What you want me? Now it's up to you. Yes, tell me. Raise your hand those who want me to be happy. Raise your hand those who want me to be happy. Okay. कितने लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं खुश रहूं? Being a teacher. Yes. कौन मेरे को खुश रखना चाहता है? Yes. Who? Yes. Bhumi. Then Nishtha. Very good.
Sir.
Vanshi. Only 3 students. Yes, Sarfaraj. Good. Show me, beta. Make it clear. Yes, clearly. Beta, click on the camera once. Just tap on your screen so that it might get clear. Tap on the screen once. Yes, now it's clear, I think so. What is that question, beta? Features of tribal society. No. The last one, the last question of that page. Activities.
Mention different types of activity.
What have you written? Show me.
Sir,
What have you
first
written?
Zoom cultivator, second hunter and gatherers, and third herded animals.
Yes, third, what have you written? Herding of animals. What?
Yes, a herding of animals.
Herding of animals. Yes, okay, good. Then fill up. In fill ups, what you have written? Show me the fill ups. Where is that? Read the first one. But don't shake your phone. Birsa Munda was believed to be God. Very good. Then second one. Birsa was born in family of
Munda.
What is that?
Munda.
Munda. Okay, good. Then third one.
The followers of
The
Birsa
follower
included Santhal Zen, Goreon.
Santhal. Yes. Okay. Good. Now
Yes, sir.
the fourth. The next, last fill up, what I have written?
Sir, it's question. What was the issue? Searching the tribal groups.
No. After that it is fill up, no?
Yes, sir. Outsiders was
What is-
referred to as Dikus.
What? Once again?
Outsiders were referred to as Dikus.
Acha, Dikus. Okay. Now show me the next page. Next page of that worksheet.
Yes, sir.
In that also there are few. Yes.
Zoom cultivation was a
No.
shift
Show me that.
or-
Below what is given? That one. No. This Sal. What is Sal?
Sir, yes,
Sal
sir.
means. What have you written? Read that. Sal is one of the.
Sal is one of the most important source of hardwood timber in India.
Yes, very good. Then next one, what have you written?
Mahua is an
Yes.
What
What have you written?
emblematic tree of jungles of central India.
All these things you have written from textbook, no? You have got from textbook?
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Very good. I appreciate your attempt. Very good, beta. Okay, now next.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Who are the students who want me to be happy? Dhanraj. Okay, good. Janvi doesn't want me to be happy, no? Then I am disappointed, beta. Bacche. Janvi doesn't want me to be happy. Kavya also doesn't want me to be happy. Then Lisa also. Acha, Kavya. Then if you want to be happy, beta, then you have to do the work what I say. Janvi is saying no. Means you don't want me to be happy. So you are saying no, beta. Then what is the meaning of that? You don't want me to be happy. Then you have to do what I give as a homework, and whatever I want you to be happy. Okay, very good. Okay, but सिर्फ कहने से नहीं होता ना बच्चे. You have to do the work also. If you don't do, then how I will be happy? Only by saying it doesn't work, beta. You have to do whatever I give. Yes or no? Yes. Now I am very happy of the work done by Sarfaraj. Okay, very good. Sarfaraj is also very good. I am happy. Then yes, Bhumi also. I am very happy. She also does very well. Then there are few students. Today Neha is absent, no? Otherwise Neha's work is also good. Then yes, Sarfaraj very good. Then yes, few students are there, those who always make me happy, and I am very happy, and I am appreciating their hard work. Okay, beta. And among their name, if you want your name to be added in that list, then you have to obey me, you have to follow my instructions. Then only I will consider you as a good student. Okay, all students are good for me, but if you don't do whatever I ask, then how can I consider them as good students? Okay, yes. So always remember, whatever I give, always make me happy, and I believe that you will always make me happy and you will don't disappoint me. Okay, I believe that. Okay, yes. So that's all, beta. Now let's continue. Beta, who will tell me what we were discussing upon? What we were discussing upon the last class? I have sent the video, beta, of 8th B. Yesterday's video I have sent. So in 8th B the chapter is already over. If you want to understand that class, that is also fine. But as yesterday our class didn't go well, so today we are continuing that. Okay? Yes. So let's continue and let's complete this chapter. Yes, who will tell me? Switch on the mic and say. Switch on the mic and say. Yes, beta. Switch on the mic and say. Fast.
Sir, we have discussed till what happened to tribal chief.
What happened to tribal chief? That is done. Okay, fine. Now so that is understood by everyone. What happened to the tribal chief?
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
Okay, now let's continue with our next point. What happened to the shifting cultivation? Okay, what happened to the shifting cultivators, not shifting cultivation, shifting cultivators. Now, as soon as this colonial rule was set up in India, what happened to the shifting cultivators, means those who were doing the shifting cultivation? What happened to them? Let's discuss. So here first point you need to know is that Britishers were not happy with the people who used to move from one place to another, or who used to wander here and there. Okay, as you know that shifting cultivators means they had to go from one place to another. Yes or no? That you believe, you already know that. But as they were moving from one place to another, these Britishers were not happy with that. Okay, so but they wanted the shifting cultivators to be in one place, and they wanted them to be as peasant cultivators. Whom they wanted to be as? Yes, they wanted to remain in one place, and they wanted the tribal people to be the peasant cultivators. Peasant means the low caste people. They want to work under them. Britishers wanted these tribal people to be working under them. Okay, yes, that is what their intention was, and they were not happy that these cultivators were moving from one place to another. So this is what all happened. Now the British, they introduced land settlements, okay, and they measured the land, okay, they measured the land and they fixed the revenue demand for the state. Some peasants were declared landowners. Now see, there are some peasants, okay, no, peasants, those who were working under the Britishers, they were considered as the landowners, means they were owning a particular land, and others as tenants. Okay, so here as they are working under the Britishers, they were been assigned some duties. Who were assigned some duties? By the local tribal people. Okay, they were assigned some duties. Why? Because they were working under the Britishers. Okay, they were under the control of the Britishers. Yes or no? Now, the British efforts to settle Jhum cultivators was not very successful. Now, here one loss happened to the Britishers. What was that? because their planning was that the Jhum cultivators should work under them, but that was not successful. Why? Because the plough cultivation is not easy in areas where water is scarce and soil is dry. Yeah, what was the reason behind that? Their intention was not successful. Whose intention? The Britishers' intention was not successful. Why? The reason was that the water was not available properly. Okay, water was very scarce. Yes or no? Water was very scarce, means water facilities were not available for the Jhum cultivators, and the agricultural activities was not that like it was not in a regular intervals. Yes or no? On a regular basis it was not happening. Why? Because they were facing water problem. The water was not available properly, water was scarce. Yes or no? Yeah. So that is why the intention of Britishers was not successful with the Jhum cultivators. Okay. Now, in fact, Jhum cultivators who took to plough cultivation often suffered, and their fields did not produce good yields, and Jhum cultivators in northeast India insisted on continuing with their traditional practice. Yes, so as they were facing this issue, they were facing the issue of what? They were facing the issue of cultivators, Jhum cultivation. They were facing the water issue. As they were facing the issue, what happened? They planned of not to cultivate. Okay, they suffered and their fields did not produce good amount of yields. Okay, good amount of yields was not excuse me. Okay, beta. Sorry. So as good amount of yields were not available with the cultivators, because what is the reason behind that? As why good amount of yields was not available? Do you know why good amount of yields were not available? Why?
Because there is a scarcity of water.
Yes, scarcity of water was there. Okay, water was available scarce. Okay, water was available scarce means water was not available. Okay, water was available scarce means water was not available. Don't get confused in that. Water was available scarce. Meaning of scarce is it was available but not that much. It was in very less amount. That is the meaning. Clear? Now, facing widespread protest, the British had to ultimately allow them the right to carry on shifting cultivation in some parts of the forest. But even though they were working under the Britishers and they were facing some issues in water facilities or water authority, okay, water facility was not available. So they were not allowed to control the agricultural land according to their wish. Okay, according to whose wish? According to the wish of the cultivators. Why? Because they were under control. They were not allowed to use their agricultural land according to their own wish. They were not. Why? Because they were under control. But so as it was not successful, so somehow now Britishers allowed them to use their particular land. Okay, what are you getting me what I am saying? Now as they were facing the issues, because what was the intention of Britishers, you know? Suppose it was successful. For example, I am saying it was not successful, that we have learned. But suppose it was successful, then what would happen? Yes, they won't allow them to use the agricultural land according to their own use, according to the use of Jhum cultivator. They won't allow. They will, whatever rules and forest laws they will add, they would have to follow that. And these Jhum cultivators will be under vein. Will be under vein means they will not get any profit of that. Okay, because Britishers will use according to their own likings. Are you getting me? But here the good thing that happened with the cultivators or Jhum cultivators is that they were now successful. Means they were successful in getting away the control of Britishers, because Britishers were unsuccessful because water facility was not available, agricultural activities was not, because their planning was to get profit. Who's planning? Britishers. Britishers planned of getting profit. Are you getting me, beta? Or am I going a little fast? Do you feel that I am going fast? Then you can tell me, okay. Beta, did you understand up till this?
Yes.
What yes? I'm going fast? Or it's okay?
No sir, it's okay.
but beta, it's not about your matter, beta. You can understand, but there are some other students. No, yes, other students, where are you all? Or am I only teaching to Bhumi? Other students, please reply. Why don't you reply? Where are all? Why are you all silent? Yes, reply. Tell me, did you understand this much? I want all of your reply. Yes, give the reply. What is this? No one is replying, only Bhumi is replying. Yes, beta. Reply, did you understand up till this?
Yes,
I'm not
sir.
fast.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Nishtha replied, Sarfraj replied, Bhumi replied. Now, where are other students? Are you able to listen to me? Yes, or is there any trouble to reply? Or did anyone tell you? Then don't reply in SS Sir's lecture. Don't reply. Is there anyone who told you like that way? Is there anything like that? Okay. That also you can tell me. If anyone has told you that don't reply in Jabez Sir's lecture. Okay. Is there anything like that? I hope so. There is nothing like that. But yes. Please reply everyone else. Did you understand? I want all the reply. Then only I will continue. Otherwise I won't continue. No, Sarfraj, Bhumi and Nishtha will not reply. All others I want the reply. Yes, reply me. Yes,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, who is this? Who is this? Tell me your
Sir,
name.
Purva.
Purva replied. Okay, then. Nirav, did you understand? Nirav?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nirav. Then why don't you reply? Matlab, in the sense, when you will get a beat, now what I would say, like in Hindi you call, no? जब तक मार ना पड़े तब तक आप कुछ नहीं करोगे. That is the thing, no? That is going on. Yes or no? Until you don't get the scolding or beating from the teacher or your parents, you won't do anything. Yes or no? Is it like that? Now don't make me strict enough. Don't make me more strict. Okay? So I want everyone's reply. Yes, then who is this? Purva has replied. Then again, Kavya, what is this beta? If you don't want to attend the class, then leave the class. No need to sit in my class simply. I want the reply. If you are joining the class, I want you to be active. Okay, then Lisa reply. Why don't you reply? Even in chat box also I am seeing. You people don't reply even a single word. Kavya is not at all replying. Then Lisa and Nirav Panara. Nirav Panara is also not replying. Until I say. Vanshi is also not replying. Beta, what is this? If you are attending the class, then be a part of the class. Beta, if you are attending the class, be a part of the class. Reply. Okay, fine. Now, let's continue. In fact, so this way now the British, the Jhum cultivators were now allowed to use their land according to their own wish. So they got the right to carry on the shifting cultivation in various parts of the forest. Now they were allowed to use their shifting cultivation. Okay. Yes. Now next topic, beta. So this topic is understood what happened with the shifting cultivators due to colonial rule. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
I am asking something. Okay, fine. Everyone should reply. Now, forest
Yes,
laws
sir.
and their impact. Okay. The life of tribal groups, okay, was directly connected to the forest. They had a connection with the forest, okay, because I told you, without forest they cannot even survive. Because whatever vegetation they are getting, whatever facilities they are getting, whatever food they are getting, all means in the sense, like generally if we say they are dependent on the forest. So if there is no forest, means they are not able to survive, or they will not be able to survive. So forest is something, they have an attachment with the forest, yes or no? Now here the Britishers have now changed some laws or forest laws, and what was the impact that was happened on the, or what was the impact towards the cultivators or the tribal people? Let's see. Now some forests were classified as the reserved forest, and for they produced timber which Britishers wanted. Now what happened is, what did the Britishers do? They divided the forest into different parts. How did they divide? By according to the crops that are grown. Now wherever timber is produced, so they named those forests as reserved forests. Why? Because they are getting advantage. Whatever crops they wanted, they are getting from that. So they have divided first of all this forest into different parts according to their growth of crops, okay, that has been grown in a particular land. Now now as yes, one more rule was been put by the Britishers. What is that? Jhum cultivators are not allowed to move from one place to another. Okay, that is one. And second rule is they are not allowed to practice the jhum cultivation. And third is they are not allowed to collect the fruits, and they are not allowed to hunt the animals. These are the four kind of rules. What were the rules? Okay, along with the giving the title, or along with the separation of different along with the separation of the forest into different names or different types, what was done? First, they were not allowed to move freely. Okay, they were not asked to move from one place to another. Who? Jhum cultivators. Okay, they were not allowed to asked to move from one place to another. Second is, what is the second point? They were not allowed to practice the jhum cultivation. Yes. So these are the kind of laws that was been implemented by the Britishers. Okay. Second one was, they are not allowed to practice the jhum cultivation. Third, what is third one? Third one was, yes, they were not asked to collect the fruits. Yes. Nothing, fruits, vegetables, whatever. They are not, yes, they were not allowed to collect the fruits. And the fourth one was, they were not allowed to hunt the. Now, as these kind of rules were being implemented by the Britishers, what impact it created on the jhum cultivators? Let's see. Now, do you think that jhum cultivators survived in such a situation? What do you think? Do you think that jhum cultivators have survived in such situation? Let's see. Many were therefore forced to move to other areas in search of work. So as they were facing this situation, okay, as the laws were changed and some of the cultivators were actually finding it as a it was very difficult for them, no? They are not allowed to move from one place to another, they are not allowed to collect the fruits, they are not allowed to hunt the animals, they are not allowed to practice the jhum cultivation. These things are not allowed. Allowing them. So something they have to do now for their survival. Otherwise, how they would survive? Yes or no? So for that, they have now decided to go in search for work. Okay, into the field. They have decided, field means not agricultural field, into various cities, like into various little faraway places from the place where they used to live. Okay, particularly. Okay, say for forest. They decided to go little far away of the forest and find the search of job. Now, search of job doesn't mean that they will go to a company and they will give interview, not like that. I am not taking the, we are not talking about that job, that kind of job. Like work means related to the agricultural field, no? Yes, related to, means in some other areas, in some other places where Britishers won't have a control. So they decided to go to such places and work on their own agricultural field. Yes or no? Agricultural field or some other work related to water facilities, to make the water facilities available. Okay, and like hunting also they might have done. Yes, they have done the hunting and then collection of fruits from various trees. but not in a particular place where the Britishers were. Are you getting me what I am saying? Yes. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, colonial officials came up with a solution. Okay, now, what is that? Let's find out what happened. But once the British stopped the tribal people from living inside forest, and they faced the problem. Okay, from where would the forest department get its labor to cut trees for railway sleepers and to transport logs? Now, what do you mean by sleeper? There is a meaning written. You see that the horizontal planks of wood on which railway lines are laid. Have you seen that sleeper? That on which the railway lines are laid, the railway tracks are laid. There is a horizontal piece, okay, horizontal planks of wood. Wood planks are been arranged in a way where the railway lines are laid. Okay, that's it's made of wood. Okay, planks of wood. Okay, so that is known as sleeper. Okay, now, so here one more law that was introduced by the forest department, that they are not allowed to cut the trees. Yes or no? So if they are not allowed to cut the trees, then how would they arrange, how would they make the sleepers for the railways? Yes or no? And how would they get the, or how would they get the benefits of that? If they don't cut the trees, then how would they survive? That is the question. Okay, so here now the colonial officials, means the British officials, now had a solution for this matter. What is the solution? They decided that they would give jhum cultivators small patches of land in the forest and allow them to cultivate these on the condition that those who lived in the villages would have to provide labor to the forest department and look after the forest. Yes, this was the solution as found by the Britishers. What? Yeah, they asked the jhum cultivators, and they gave them a piece of land for them to work. That is a patch of land for what purpose? On a condition to cultivate the trees. Okay, like to grow trees over there, so that with that help they would easily in future they would get wood for that, for making the sleepers and all, and this way they have tried to find the solution. Okay, so in many regions forest department established forest villages to ensure a regular supply of cheap labor. Now they also asked them to provide them labor, okay, so that the tribal people may go there and help them in as a labor. Okay, they were asked to go there and help the forest department. Okay, so whatever help they need, they also ask the tribal people to go and help the forest department if they need any help. Clear? Understood? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so probably now few more points are left. Okay, so everyone listen. Yes, somebody is writing in the chat box. What are you writing, beta? Let me see, what have you written? Yes. Yes, sir. Okay, fine. You have written yes, sir. Okay, fine. I thought you have written something else. Okay, fine. So let's continue. Let's continue. Everyone listen. Okay. As I told you that the tribal groups in different parts of the country rebelled against the changes that made in the laws. I told you, they made a forest laws, yes or no? So whatever laws were made by the Britishers, what was finally decided by the tribal groups? They have decided to protest against that. Okay, protest, or they have decided to rebel against the. Understand? They decided to have a opposition towards these laws. Towards which laws? Towards the forest laws. Is it clear? How did they do that? Okay, the restrictions on the practices. Okay, so what were the laws? You already know. They were restrictions on the practices, means they were not allowed to practice the jhum cultivation. Then they are not allowed to. Can anyone say what were the laws? Yes? Yes, please. Can anyone say? Say the laws. Which were the laws? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, beta.
sir.
Whichever I have said, which were the laws as introduced by the Britishers, which were the forest laws? Yes, hello. Are you listening to me? Am I
Yes,
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
say. Dhanraj, beta, what? Yes, sir.
Sir, can I?
Yes, beta, of course. Yes, say.
Yes, sir. These are the following rules of British. First, they do not allow tribal people to move freely. Second, they do not allow to practice zoom cultivation. Third, they do not have to gather any forest produce like fruits. And last, they do not allow to hunt animals.
Yes, of course. Good. So these were the laws, no? So as restricted by the Britishers for the jhum cultivators, so they decided to rebel against these British laws or forest laws against the jhum cultivators. Yes. So they were asked. So what did they do? Yes. They have now decided. So their practices, the exploitation by traders and money lenders, all these things, all against these laws that Birsa Munda led is worth mentioning here. So here what happened? Birsa Munda, they have decided to introduce a movement against these laws as inspired from Birsa Munda. So here comes the role of Birsa Munda. Now he is playing a role. So here you can understand that is clear to mention over this in this particular time period when it happened, when they were facing the problem, okay, when they were not allowed to do certain activities as introduced in the forest laws. So they have now decided to act or to carry upon a movement as inspired by the Birsa Munda. Now what was that? Let's see. And who is Birsa Munda? You know, Birsa Munda fought to save his people from trouble, yes or no, and free them from slavery of the coast. Now, who was Birsa Munda? He was the lord of them, or he was considered them as a demigod, and he would allow, what he would do? He would free them from the slavery of the Dikus or the Britishers or outsiders. Soon thousands became his followers. Okay, as Birsa Munda was considered to be as a demigod, thousands of people became his followers. Yes or no? They became his followers, and they were all unhappy under British rule. So this is how you need to know. So here Birsa Munda is considered. So here now the role of Birsa Munda and who are facing the trouble? Who are facing the trouble ultimately? The time is up, beta. I think so. Time is up.
Yes,
so,
sir.
no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. Just a few more points, or let's say we can complete by tomorrow. Okay. Only 2-3 points are there that we can discuss tomorrow. Clear? So is it clear up till here? It is understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Fine. So now allow me to take the attendance. Yes, please be there. Nobody will leave. Only 9 students. I am very much disappointed about this matter.
8 students, sir.
8. Yes,
students.
I am very disappointed, beta. I don't know why only less number of students are there. Anyways, I will also try calling them. You will also have to call. Okay, call your friends, beta. When you are free, call them and tell them to join the classes. Otherwise, they will miss everything. Okay, so tell them, call your friends, call them, tell them the classes have already, it's going on. We have completed history chapter 4. This way tell. Okay, so that they might join the classes. Because I don't want you people to miss the classes. Wait, don't leave, I am trying to click this screenshot. Yes, this is one is done and one Shidoshi. Okay, done beta. I have taken the screenshot beta, so that's it. I hope that you understood. What is the homework? Homework is common. This chapter is almost over only. 2 points are there that we will discuss tomorrow and we can complete the chapter. In the sense we have completed the chapter. Okay, now try completing the worksheet, and today I will send the textual question answer PDF.
Yes, sir.
And worksheet I will send by tomorrow only, because today only we have completed now the chapter. Okay, so that's it. See you all in the next lecture. Take care.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Have a nice day. Complete your notes and call your friends. Okay. Call your friends to join. Okay, fine. Bye bye.